Designed by award-winning designer Chris Clout and less than 12 months old, this luxury townhouse is located in a boutique complex, Byron Beach Villa.
Offering the very best of chic coastal living.
There is a private courtyard for easy entertaining, a secure, child-friendly garden and a double garage with automatic entry and storage space for bikes and surfing. In a stunning bushland setting close to the beach and within walking distance to the Habitat shopping precinct, it's an ultra-convenient lifestyle location that ticks all the boxes.